Dear students, in today's video we are going to learn about the adaptations present in tiger that make them suitable to live in the tropical forest. We know that the tropical regions are situated near to the equator. These regions are warm and humid regions. So there are a lot of adaptations present in various organisms. The tiger is a very typical animal we can take as an example to study about the adaptations. Some of the adaptations present in the tiger are discussed in this video. In the picture we can see the tiger. It is an attractive inhabitant of the tropical forest. Unlike its Siberian cousin, which has a thick shaggy coat, the tropical tiger has a coat of short close fur. So tropical region, the warm regions are there, so they need not have a thick fur. But the close relative, that is the Siberian tiger, it lives in the snow covered regions where the snowfall is there, ice covered regions are there. So in such regions, the adaptations developed on their bodies, on the bodies of Siberian tigers, their body is covered with a coat of thick close fur. So when these tigers hide among the grass, dried grass, or among the leaves or the branches, we know that they can climb the trees also easily. Their stripes, these stripes divide their body into parts that make them easily hide between the trees or among the branches or among the grass. They are unnoticed by their prey. They can hide and spring upon their prey. They can kill the animal and eat them. So that is one adaptation for the tiger. Their particular stripes help them to, the stripes present on their body help them to hide in their surroundings. We know that the zebras are also having such stripes. The zebras are also able to hide between the bushes and also between the or among the grass. We know that such a coloration to merge with the surroundings or blend with the surroundings, that is called camouflage, and that is helpful for these animals to live in their habitats. The zebras are prey for lions, the cheetahs and tigers. So they wanted to hide away from the predator animals, but when we talk about the tigers, they want to be unnoticed from their prey animals or preys. Another adaptations present in the body of the tiger, that is, the tiger is a very good swimmer. The tiger can swim in the water bodies of tropical regions. This makes them easy to cool their bodies. The warm and humid regions, the temperature is very high. So when they want to make their body cool, they can make a dip in the water bodies nearby their habitat. That is another adaptation. Here you can see a white tiger swim in water. Here you can see a Bengal tiger also. It swims in the water. We can see, we have seen, many of us also have seen that the tigers are swimming in water. Now students, when we talk about another adaptation of the tigers, their paws, they have a soft paws. Its soft paw pads help it stalk its prey quickly. It means the paws having the claws inside them while they rest, the claws claws are inside the paws. And they can, with the paws, they can very quickly attack. Then the claws will come out. They can tear away the coat of the animal which it hunts, and can tear out the skin of the animal and eat the flesh from the body of the animal. So that is another adaptation of the tiger. Its hind legs. The hind legs are longer than the front legs, or forelimbs are shorter than the hind limbs, that help them to jump from a distance. They can make very long jumps and jump. They can just, their eyesight is also very good, and they can jump upon the animal that it want to be hunted, and they can spring upon the prey and kill the animal very quickly using its legs. So the legs are very powerful, and is also the hind legs are longer than the front legs. Then it can retract or pull its claws into its paws. Here you can see, here in this picture we cannot see the claws, but in this picture we can see the claws are come out from the paws. So whenever it is needed, or to attack anybody, or to hunt the animal, or kill the various organisms, it can take out its claws and can attack. So students, we learned many of the adaptations present in the tiger living in the hot and warm regions of the tropical forest. There are many adaptations. They have a coat of fur on their body. The Siberian tigers have a thick coat of fur to escape from the snow-covered regions, but the Bengal tiger and the ordinary tigers, they are having a thin coat, comparatively thin coat than the Siberian tigers. They can retract or pull their claws. They can attack their prey with their paws, soft paws. They are good swimmers and good hunters, that make them suitable to live in the tropical forest. Students, I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.